Happy morning, dears. And today's topic, where do all the teachers go? Okay, it's a poem. And a teacher is a very special person for a child. Am I right? Yes. So, being curious, they had too many questions to ask about them. So, today in this poem, we are going to learn about these things. Where do all the teachers go? Written by Peter Dickson. So the poet name is Peter Dickson. Let's begin. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. So, for a little child, a teacher is special. It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. Yeah. So for a little child, they don't think teacher as an ordinary person. They are something special to them. Okay. So let's see. First paragraph. Where do all the teachers go? When it's 4 o'clock, do they live in houses? And do they wash their socks? So here the poet is wondering, where do the teachers go after 4 o'clock? After 4 o'clock means after the school was over. They had too many questions. Whether they have houses and if they wash their socks. Silly questions, am I right? Yes. So the students or the poet are asking whether they have houses, whether the teacher have houses, and whether they wash their socks. Okay, do you have doubts like this? Yes? Okay. Shall we move on to the next paragraph? Look at that. Do they wear pajamas? And do they watch TV? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? Further, in the line of questions, he asked whether they wear pajamas and do they watch TV. Look at the doubts. So, first thing is whether they wear pajamas, and second one is they watch TV. And do they put their fingers on the nose as you and me? That is, as a normal people like you and me, they put their fingers on the nose? Like that they are asking. Understood? And third paragraph. Do they live with other people? Have they mums and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? So, the teacher is very special. So, the child asks the questions here. If they live with other people, yes, the teachers live with other people, and do the teachers have their parents, that is mums and dads? And also, and were they ever children? They were children, and also like the children, they has bad habits. The children have bad habits, right? Like that, they are questioning their teachers. Do they have these kind of bad characters? And next one. Shall we move on to the next one? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? So, there are more questions which comes in the mind of the child. What is that? If they ever made mistakes, whether they able to learn the spellings, and also were they punished in the corner of the room? You know, the children gathered around the cake is being cut. Am I right? Very young children, what they do? They just pinch the chocolate flakes to eat. Am I right? To taste. So, the child is wondering whether the teacher has ever done that. Understood? And next one. Did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desktops? So what they asking? He has more question and he is wondering if the teacher lost their hymn books. What is hymn books? Songs which is dedicated to God. Okay. And they wondering because the children often lost their books. So they have questions whether the teacher lost their hymn books. And if they left the green, that is green vegetables. And also they wonder, like all the children, teachers also scribble on their desktop. You may see children having their pens or pencil and they just scribble on their desk. Yes, like that, these teachers scribble. And also, children keep on wearing dirty dresses. Like that, this teachers whether they wear dirty dresses. So many questions, am I right? Yes, so many questions. So the poet is wondering about all those things. And the last one. Did they wear old dirty jeans? I'll follow one back home today. I will find out what they do. They will put it in a poem that they can read to you. Very funny, yes? So now this the poet says, I means the poet, okay? So he is saying, one day he will follow the teacher and he find out what the teachers do. He would be writing whatever his findings or as a poem. The teachers about to teach the poem, that poem will read by teachers to you, okay, and which the poet has written about the findings of what the teachers do. And you are the children's, that is readers there. Understood? Once again I am reading this poem, dears. Listen carefully. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? Do they wear pyjamas and do they watch TV? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? Do they live with other people? Have they mums and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desktops? Did they wear old dirty jeans? I'll follow one back home today. I'll find out what they do. Then I will put it in a poem that they can read to you. I hope you all understood and you enjoyed this poem. Okay, dears, thank you. Have a nice day.